Every day, people strive for success, happiness, and fulfillment. But what if there were a way to manifest your deepest desires, quickly, effortlessly, and while you sleep? A powerful tool for achieving this exists, and it's called SATs, or the state akin to sleep. This manifestation technique, developed and popularized by Neville Goddard, a prominent spiritual teacher in the 1940s, holds the key to shaping reality by engaging your subconscious mind. The premise is simple. As you drift into a state between wakefulness and sleep, your mind becomes more open and receptive to suggestions. In this drowsy, transitional phase, visualization can lead to real-world results. Imagine waking up the day after practicing SATs and discovering that your business, creative project, or personal goal has exploded in success. That's the promise of this technique, leveraging the natural relaxation of sleep to influence your subconscious, which, in turn, influences your conscious reality. In this documentary, we delve deep into what SATs really is, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest anything you desire, from personal growth and financial success to creative milestones and beyond. SATs, or state akin to sleep, is a mental technique that involves entering a state of drowsiness, similar to the moments before you drift into sleep, where the conscious mind quiets and the subconscious mind becomes more accessible. According to Neville Goddard, this is the perfect time to visualize a desired outcome because the subconscious, which never rests, continues working on those visualizations even as we sleep. The subconscious mind is the engine that drives manifestation. It's where our beliefs, fears, and long-standing habits reside. By accessing it through SATs, we bypass the doubts, insecurities, and limitations of the conscious mind, allowing our desires to flow freely into reality. Goddard claimed that using SATs can produce results within 3 to 7 days. It is not uncommon to hear about people manifesting their dreams even faster, sometimes overnight. To understand SATs better, we need to explore the relationship between consciousness, the subconscious mind, and how they shape our lives. Our conscious thoughts and actions are only a small part of what drives our experiences. Below the surface, the subconscious mind constantly processes information and works to align our reality with the beliefs and images that we consistently hold. The key to SATs lies in impressing your desires onto the subconscious mind. While we're fully awake, our conscious mind is often filled with doubts and contradictory thoughts that hinder manifestation. But as we enter the state akin to sleep, the conscious mind begins to relax, and our subconscious becomes more malleable. Here's where visualization comes in. By creating a vivid image of what you want to manifest, and focusing on that image as you drift into sleep, you effectively plant a seed in your subconscious. Over the course of the night, while the conscious mind rests, the subconscious continues to nurture that seed, influencing the events and circumstances of your waking life to bring your desires into reality. One of the most well-known examples of SAT's effectiveness comes from an experiment Neville Goddard conducted during his lectures. In what became known as the ladder technique, he asked participants to visualize themselves climbing a ladder every night for 3 days. The next morning, they were instructed to affirm repeatedly, "I am not climbing a ladder." This affirmation was intended to create a conscious resistance to the idea, but despite that, every participant in the experiment found themselves climbing a ladder in real life within the 3 days. The lesson? Visualization during the SAT state is so powerful that even when people consciously tried to deny it, their subconscious mind still brought the experience of climbing a ladder into their reality. Goddard pointed out that if they had visualized becoming wealthy or achieving other significant goals, instead of simply climbing a ladder, the same principle would have applied. The ladder experiment demonstrates how powerful SATs can be when focused on something specific and repeatedly visualized during that state between wakefulness and sleep. The beauty of SATs lies in its simplicity. There's no need for complex rituals or lengthy meditation practices, just a simple visualization, repeated consistently, as you fall asleep. Let's break down how to effectively use SATs to manifest your desires. Prepare your environment. To maximize the effectiveness of SATs, it's crucial to create a calm and comfortable environment. Try to avoid distractions or anything that could disrupt your relaxation. You may want to dim the lights, play soft music, or use calming scents like lavender to help prepare your mind for sleep. If you can, aim to go to bed when you're naturally tired. This will make it easier to fall into the relaxed state required for SATs. Techniques like drinking chamomile tea or taking a warm shower can also help your body transition into sleep mode. Lie down and relax. Once you're in bed and comfortable, start to let go of the thoughts and concerns of the day. Focus on your breathing, and allow yourself to sink into a state of deep relaxation. As you begin to feel drowsy, shift your focus to your desired outcome. Visualize a simple scene. Now, this is where the magic of SATs happens. Create a short, simple visualization that represents your desired outcome. It's important not to overcomplicate it. Keep it to a 5-second loop that you can easily repeat in your mind. This might be as simple as seeing yourself receiving a phone call with good news or visualizing a particular number in your bank account. For example, if your goal is to grow your social media following, you might visualize a screen showing a large increase in subscribers. You don't need to attach emotions or force yourself to feel excitement, just focus on the image itself. Enter the state akin to sleep. As you continue to visualize your desired outcome, let yourself drift closer to sleep. The goal is to carry that visualization from the fully conscious state into the semi-conscious drowsy state. Once you've reached this point, your subconscious mind is ready to receive the visualization, and it will continue to process it even as you fully fall asleep. This is the essence of SAT, impressing your desire onto the subconscious mind during this transitional phase. Repeat nightly. For best results, practice SATs every night. While some people see results after just one session, others may take a few days or even a week. The key is consistency. Each night, you're reinforcing that desire in your subconscious, and with each repetition, you're bringing it closer to fruition. Neville Goddard emphasized that the subconscious mind is always working, whether we're aware of it or not. It doesn't rest, and it's constantly influencing the events of our waking lives. When we visualize a specific outcome during SATs, we're effectively programming the subconscious to align our external reality with that internal image. This is why SATs work so quickly and effortlessly, because we're tapping into the most powerful part of our mind, the part that never stops working. Once we've planted that seed in the subconscious, it begins to shape our experiences to bring that desire into reality. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between positive and negative desires, it simply acts on what it's been given. This is why Neville Goddard stressed the importance of staying neutral during visualization. By not forcing emotions or trying too hard to feel a certain way, we allow the subconscious to work naturally, without interference from the conscious mind's doubts or resistance. People who have successfully used SATs often report astonishing results. From business breakthroughs to viral content and financial windfalls, the power of this technique can't be overstated. Some have experienced massive success in as little as one night, like the YouTube creator whose video suddenly went viral after using SATs. But remember, SATs is not just for quick fixes or material gains. It can be used for any aspect of life, whether it's personal growth, relationships, or even health. The possibilities are endless, and the technique is flexible enough to be tailored to whatever you desire most. A few final tips for success. Stay relaxed. If you're struggling to enter the drowsy state, don't force it. The more relaxed you are, the easier it will be to transition into SATs. Remember, this technique works best when you're naturally tired. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your visualization. A 5-second loop is enough. The simpler the image, the easier it is for your subconscious to accept it. Be consistent. If you don't see immediate results, don't get discouraged. Manifestation is a process, and the more you practice SATs, the more skilled you'll become at it. Be patient. While some see results instantly, others may take a few days or longer. Trust that your subconscious is working, even if you can't see the effects right away. Conclusion: transforming your reality with SATs. The state akin to sleep technique offers an incredibly powerful yet accessible way to manifest your desires. By simply relaxing, visualizing your goal, and letting that visualization carry you into sleep, you can activate your subconscious mind to create real change in your life.